Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble. First, let's set up the game. The Scrabble board is a grid of 225 squares. Each player begins by drawing 7 letter tiles from the bag. The very first word played must always cover the center star square. After that, players take turns building words either horizontally or vertically on the board, connecting to existing letters. During your turn, you'll form a word using your 7 tiles and any letters already on the board. Remember, words must always read either across or down. Each letter tile has a specific point value, from 1 point for common letters like E and A, up to 10 points for Z and Q. The board also has special squares that can double or triple the points for a letter or even an entire word. To maximize your score, strategically use the bonus squares. Landing a letter on a double letter score square, for example, doubles that letter's value. If you manage to play all 7 of your tiles in a single turn, you earn a fantastic 50-point bonus, often called a bingo. You can also challenge an opponent's word if you suspect it's not valid. If you're right, they lose their turn. Effective Scrabble strategy involves planning several moves ahead to create high-scoring opportunities for yourself. Try to keep a good balance of vowels and consonants on your rack, ideally around 4 vowels and 3 consonants. Also, be mindful of blocking your opponents from accessing those valuable premium squares. The game ends when all tiles are drawn and one player uses their last tile, or when no more moves are possible. The player with the highest total score wins.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.